up, y'all? Israel back with another video. In my previous video, I went about tiling the shower walls and adding shower lights. So in today's video, we're going to be replacing tile around the niche area and around the shower walls. Also, we're going to be doing marble seal plates for the niche and the knee wall. So let's get into this video. All right, so the first thing first is to destroy this tile that I accidentally cracked in the installation process. You know what? It happens, y'all. We're human. I'm human. And yeah, I'm using a hammer and a chisel to go about breaking this tile up so I can actually take it out piece by piece so it can be easier to be removed. After removing your tile, now it's time to remove all the excess thin set off your shower wall. When you're removing a tile, you gotta make sure all of that thin set is off. Obviously, you see that my cement board got damaged, so I'm gonna need to replace that with some thin set and then waterproof it again with Aqua Defense. Some people use Aqua Defense, some people use Red Guard. In my case, I only had access to Aqua Defense. It's still a waterproofing material, so it really doesn't matter. Just use some type of waterproofing Aqua Defense or Red Guard. So what I'm doing right now is adding more thin set to the shower. I'm going to apply 2 coats of Aqua Defense. After the Aqua Defense, now I can add my thin set to the waterproofing wall and then also back butter my tile and replace this specific tile in the shower area. Alright guys, so I'm going to show you how I do the niche seal at the bottom. This is the bottom part. I want a little bump out situation that I want on each side. So I put tape down first, as you see, draw with some marker. Just wanted to show you guys like my marble piece that I'm about to put on for the niche area. And let's get into the video. After cutting all my marble for my niche, now it's time to dry fit. And after we finish up dry fitting everything, it's on to the polishing process. So as you see, I'm using a grinder to do this polishing process, which I also use the same grinder to cut the marble and cut the tile. So this grinder is super useful and super versatile. So I definitely highly recommend that you get a grinder if you are trying to install tile or polish marble. After finishing up polishing the marble, now it's on to the installing process. Installing the marble is actually pretty simple. It's very similar to installing tile, which is adding thinset to the shower walls, back buttering your marble, and joining them together. One thing you have to remember when you're installing the marble for your niche is to make sure the bottom seal plate of your niche is sloping towards the shower. This helps prevent any pools of water starting to form on your niche. Alright guys, so I'm putting a marble piece on top of this knee wall and on the side and on the bottom right here. You guys probably are asking me, how do you do it? It's pretty simple. Let me show you exactly. So this is my marble piece. Super long. So I place this flat on the ground. You place it flat on the ground like this, like so. And then you just get a box cutter, just cut it completely out, the whole length, cut it the whole length of the actual piece of marble that you're trying to put top of your knee wall. So after you do that, then you just come in here, use your cardboard, just fold it in the corner right here. And then I just cut a little slither so I don't penetrate the waterproofing. So I just cut in a little slither in the cardboard. And yeah, it gets you the results, creating a great template. All right, yeah, so that's what it is, guys. Let me get back to work and check in with you guys later. Alright guys, so I just let this dry for a good 12 hours. Now you can step on it. Oh, movement. So I just wanted to show you guys that real quick before I start in this next phase, putting this up and then the top piece, because you guys are going to be like, why are you stepping on it? You didn't let it dry. Yes, I did. It's been 12 hours. Y'all just late. Okay, y'all late. And then also, bam. So over here, I've been trying to get these cuts and different things perfect. Fail, epic fail. I almost triple fail, but it was double fail. Pretty much I tried to do this one twice, failed. The remnants are right there. So right back at this. So I put some cardboard up here, put some cardboard on the other side to get this right. And this towel is expensive. It's like 60 bucks a box. So it's expensive. So now I put a template. Now I can go about cutting it. All right, back to the video. just finished up. This is the finished seal situation. And yeah, it's all done, set, ready, set, go. All situation. All we just need to do now is to let it sit. Took a while to get to this point. Still got a lot of work to do, guys. But we're in this together. We're all in this together. Clap once. We know we are start. We can fly and we make it. Yes, Wildcats in the house. All right, guys. I'm tired. Thank you guys for watching. Really appreciate it. Thank you guys for joining me on this journey. Thank you for all the comments. Thank you for the encouragement. And yeah, I think that's all I got, guys. So I guess I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.